Hey, what is up, everyone? Here are the best methods to lower ping on Roblox. Now, in order for us to begin with this one, I'm just going to go ahead and open my settings. So I'm going to go ahead and press ESC on my keyboard, and then I'm going to hit the settings here. Now, first things first, I want you to go ahead and turn on your performance stats, just like so, and then you should be able to see here your ping. So as of the moment, my ping I think is okay. And yeah, with this one, we can go ahead and proceed and play. But say, for example, if you're experiencing problem here with your ping, I want you to go ahead and open a browser, just like so. And then from here, go ahead and look for speed test. Now, you're going to go ahead and do the speed test by Ookla because we need to identify first if we are having problem with our internet speed. All right, there you go. Seems like our internet speed is okay. Therefore, we can conclude that this is not the real problem. Now, let's go ahead and try to look for the Ethernet settings here. And we're just going to go ahead and look for VPN. So as of the moment, I'm not connected to the VPN. But if you are connected to a VPN and you are experiencing problem, then it might be a time for you to disconnect that one. But in case you're not connected, but you have available VPN, I want you to try it. So in my case here, I have pure VPN. I can just go ahead and hit the connect button in here and then go ahead and sign in here. Now, say for example, you don't have a VPN yet. I'm going to recommend you one VPN. I want you to go ahead and look for Exit Lag. So Exit Lag is a VPN purely made for games. So I want you to go ahead and check this out. You can go ahead and hit the subscribe now here, and you should be able to see here pricing. So there are different pricing here for you. I want you to go ahead and check it out. However, if this is your first time, then you can just go ahead and hit the download here and then create an account because they have a free trial. So you should be able to see if this is going to be effective for you or not. Now, another thing that I'm going to tell you is go ahead and look for CMD here and then type here ipconfig all, and you should be able to see here the DNS that you are using. Now, in this case, we can go ahead and change this one. So we're going to go ahead and open the Ethernet settings, and here in the Ethernet settings, you are going to select your network. So it's going to be either wireless or a wired connection. Now, I want you to go ahead and look for IP assignment. You can just go ahead and click this one right here, change this to manual, and then enable IPv4. Here, go ahead and type your DNS. So in our case, it's going to be this one right here. So this is the default gateway. We're just going to copy it, and I'm going to go ahead and add here, say 2. You can go ahead and add here about 155. So yeah, just go ahead and choose between those numbers 1, 2, 3, 12, 3, 2, 1, 15, 21. It's up to you guys. Now, I'm going to go ahead and paste here the gateway, and then for the subnet mask, it's going to be this one right here. And then the preferred DNS. So the DNS that we are going to use is Google. I think Google is one of the biggest. And then for the alternate DNS, I'm going to go ahead and write this one. Now I'm going to go ahead and hit the save button. And if we are going to go back here, we can just go ahead and type, and you should be able to see that now we are using a different DNS. Now go ahead and try this one, see if this works. If not, then it might be time for you to connect to a wired network. As you can see, I'm using a wired network as of the moment. If you're using Wi-Fi and you're experiencing problem with the internet, then that might be a reason. However, if you're experiencing problem with your Ethernet, then go ahead and try to switch to a Wi-Fi, see which one works better. Now, last but not the least, if you have been using your internet for a long time and you haven't restarted your Wi-Fi, then this might be the time for you to do so. Go ahead and try to restart your modem and see if that is going to fix. Now, last but not the least, I want you to go ahead and restart your PC. And yep, that is how we are going to fix this problem. I hope this video helps you out.